Hello there, it's Sandy Wiley. I'm not at the beach, but I'm filming this seagull. Usually we associate seagulls with the beach, but these seagulls are scavengers. Here's another one. Oh, different colors, like a brown, tan. Here's another one. Black and white tail. Oh, I think that one went off. They're scavengers and they'll just eat about anything. So they're just picking off the ground whatever they can find. I like seagulls. They're not always at the beach. A lot of people think they're pests and don't like them, but I like them. They're just aggressive. They're bold and aggressive like me. And they're always hungry like me. And they'll eat anything like me. And that's why I like them. I get along with them. One time I went to the beach. I wrote a poem about the seagulls. And I had some leftover fries from lunch. And I just shared my fries. Why not? I had large fries, so I didn't need to eat all of them. And they went on my blanket too. Oh, where's it going? See if they're gonna come back.